This delicious akara is not just a snack, it's a story passed down through generations. Golden, crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy inside. If you're craving for delicious akara, come closer, this video is for you. At the end of this video, you'll be able to make akara by yourself and you'll be so proud you did. First, you start by soaking your beans in water for some time and then peel it. There are different methods to doing this. You can use your hand, you can use mortar, you can also use blender. Of all the methods, using blender seems to be the fastest. I mean, within 2 minutes, you are done peeling your beans. If you're using the blender, ensure not to blend it for long so that you will not end up crushing the beans. I used Ninja blender for mine and I used the mixed option. With that, it's only the peels that will come off, the grains will remain intact. Now pour your beans into your bowl and add some water and you'll notice that the peels will float. Filter it severally till you get rid of all the peels from the beans. Now look at that, it's that easy. Making delicious akara does not require much ingredients. With just scotch bonnet pepper, onions, salt, you're good to go. Egg is actually optional, but I like it in my akara, that's why I'm using it. Bell pepper and spring onions is actually optional, but I like my akara to be garnished, that's why I'm using it too. Prep your bell pepper, spring onions and set aside. I love to have the feel of onions in my akara. I will blend some of my onions while I cut the remaining ones and set aside. Now add the scotch bonnet pepper, onion and some red bell pepper into your blender. Go in with a little water. You have to be very careful with the amount of water you use. You don't want your akara to be watery. If it's watery, it will not come out well. Blend your beans till it's smooth. When you're done blending, pour it into a bowl. Now make sure you don't skip this part. Here will play a great role in how your akara will turn out to be. Use either whisk, mortar, or hand mixer to whisk your beans puree till it's a bit lighter. This process will help your akara not to soak too much oil, to just make the akara to stay afloat. Now look at the feel of the puree, it's a bit lighter. Now go in with your salt, eggs and your vegetables for garnishing. Mix it together till it's well combined. Now it's frying time. Put your pot on fire and go in with your vegetable oil. Akara is deep fried, so you need a significant amount of oil for this. Once your oil is heated enough, go in with your bean puree. You can do this with your hand or you use spoon as seen. Try not to overcrowd your pan and ensure that your heat is not too high. You need to fry it on a medium heat. Flip it over intermittently till both sides are done. When it's done, collect the akara with paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Spoon filter the oil to take out excess particle of akara from the oil before adding another beans puree. At this point, I couldn't hold myself again than to taste the akara from the first batch that I did because the aroma that was zooming out from my kitchen was so tempting. If you've watched up to this point, hit the subscribe button, like and share for more healthy and tasty recipes. Now follow the same steps till you're done frying all your akara. Will you be trying this anytime soon? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Yay, we are done frying all our delicious akara. Now it's time to save. This is so tasty and nice. You can eat this alone or pair it up with garri, pap or bread. How do you like your akara? Let me know your answers in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.